Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Amia. In this episode, we're going to look at AWS monitoring services, CloudWatch and CloudTrail. CloudWatch monitors operational and performance data in the form of logs, metrics, and events. CloudWatch can monitor resources and applications running on AWS or on-premises servers. CloudWatch Metrics lets you monitor the performance of AWS resources and applications, such as EC2 instances, EBS volumes, elastic load balancing, auto-scaling. CloudWatch alarms watch systems metrics and send you notifications. It can perform certain actions if any metrics are above threshold. For example, you can set up a CloudWatch billing alarm and receive an SNS notification if your AWS usage is above the threshold. CloudWatch Alarms is commonly used with EC2 auto-scaling to perform scaling action. CloudWatch Events deliver systems events that describe operational changes in AWS resources. CloudWatch Events can respond to these changes and take action. For example, you can configure CloudWatch Events to respond to events in an S3 bucket. Whenever an image is uploaded to S3, CloudWatch Events can trigger a Lambda function to add a watermark to the image. You can also use CloudWatch Events to schedule automated cron tasks. For example, you can schedule automated snapshots for EBS volumes every hour using CloudWatch Events. CloudWatch Logs let you monitor, store, and access log files from various AWS services, such as EC2, Lambda, CloudTrail, Route 53. CloudWatch Logs centralize logs from all of your systems, applications, and AWS services. CloudWatch monitors the performance of AWS resources by using metrics and status checks. CloudWatch can monitor EC2 instances on CPU, disk, network, and status check. You can also set custom metrics for EC2 instance on CloudWatch. CloudWatch can monitor EBS volumes on volume operations and status checks. CloudWatch can monitor instances status and health check of elastic load balancing in an auto-scaling group. So EC2 auto-scaling can automatically launch or stop instances. CloudWatch can monitor HTTP status, connections, and healthy hosts on elastic load balancing. CloudWatch can monitor S3, such as bucket size, number of objects and request status. CloudWatch can monitor RDS instances on CPU, RAM consumption, disk space, network traffic, database connections, and IOPS. CloudWatch can monitor Route 53 health status, such as connection time and SSL handshakes. So Route 53 can automatically failover or direct traffic to different routes. CloudTrail helps you enable governance, compliance, and operational and risk auditing on your AWS account. CloudTrail tracks AWS account activity and API usage by a user, role, or an AWS service, including actions taken through the Management Console, SDKs, command line tools. You can track activities, such as who has created an S3 bucket, launched an EC2 instance, or created an RDS database. You can track if someone has created any resources without permission. You can audit if there's any malicious behavior on your AWS account. CloudTrail can work with CloudWatch Logs. You can monitor CloudTrail log files by sending them to CloudWatch Logs. You can track account activities in CloudTrail event history, create trails for detailed analysis, and perform certain actions. For example, if an unauthorized user has created an EC2 instance, you can track the activity and send a notification to your admin team to remediate the incident. CloudTrail can record account-level activities into CloudTrail events. For example, if someone has deleted an S3 bucket, CloudTrail events can show you which S3 bucket was deleted, who took the action, whether it was taken by root user, an IAM user, or an AWS service, the source IP address of the user, which region the action was done, and when was the action taken. You can send CloudTrail logs to an S3 bucket for auditing and further analysis. You can also send CloudTrail logs to CloudWatch Logs and create CloudWatch alarms for certain API activities captured in CloudTrail. In this episode, we've learned AWS monitoring services. CloudWatch is for monitoring performance of AWS resources and applications. You can use CloudWatch Metrics to monitor resource performance and create alarms. CloudWatch Events can help to respond to system changes and schedule automated tasks. CloudWatch Logs is placed to centralize all logs. CloudTrail is for compliance and auditing purpose on AWS account activities. Both CloudWatch and CloudTrail can work together. For example, CloudTrail can send trail logs to CloudWatch Logs. Okay, that's all for CloudWatch and CloudTrail. Thanks for watching and see you in the next episode. Hope you've enjoyed watching this episode. If you liked the video, please help us and hit the like button. If you want to watch more tutorials, please subscribe to the Cloudemy TV channel. Make sure to turn on the notification and stay tuned. At Cloudemy, we're passionate about cloud and AI technology. Please share your feedback and thoughts in the comments below. Feel free to let us know what topics you'd like to watch. Happy watching and happy learning.